people of the planet, sapiens of the sphere, everyone on Earth. Ken from Kentucky, Renata from Rio, Jiro from Japan. We see you. You and your immaculate sneaker collection. We know a better customer experience is better for everyone. Better for the health nuts. Better for the plant parents. And guess what? It's even better for the bottom line. We know the precious time you have on this spinning rock is not meant to be spent waiting on hold for 92 minutes, only to be met with a, "Your call is very important to us." Nobody has time for that. You're out here, doing your thing. And we know sometimes you just want to speak to a representative. Even our AI is all about YOU. Because while some say the customer is always right, we say the customer is always human. So we're building a better customer experience with AI that puts people first, which is better for all of us.